Hello and welcome buddies. In this video we are going to discuss about the null-aware operator. In the last video we have discussed about the comparison operator, arithmetic operator and others topic. So in this video we will discuss about the null-aware operator. So let's discuss one by one how many type of null-aware operator are available in Dart and what is exactly null-aware operator and why we should use null-aware operator in the Dart language. So let's see one by examples. Null-aware operator is used to check null values. So you can understand by this line, this operator is used to check the null values in the variables. There are two type of null-aware operator in Dart. The first one is null-aware access. The symbol of this operator is question mark and dot. The second one is null check operator and the symbol of this operator is double question mark. Maybe you will face some difficulty to understand this both operator and use of this both operator, because if you are a beginner then definitely you will get some problem, but no need to worry about this, because once I will enter in the Flutter code then definitely I will use this both operator and definitely I will explain how we should use and which condition we should use. For now just keep in your mind about this is available, or null-aware operator are available in Dart. For now just keep in your mind. The first one is null-aware access. This is the null access operator used for accessing properties and method on potentially null object without causing a null pointer. The second one is null check operator. This is a null aware operator for providing a default value if expression preceding it evaluate to null. Just keep this both definition in your mind. I will definitely explain once I will enter in the Flutter code, because right now there is no need of use any this both operator in the Dart, because once we will use classes, object and null values, then that time we will add this operator, will use this operator. So for now just keep in your mind this both definitions. So let's meet in the next video with another topic.